Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to install ocPortal on a cPanel account. For customers of mine, ocPortal websites, you don't have to concern yourself with this because I take care of it for you. For all others, here we go. First thing you need to do is go to ocPortal.com and download the latest release of ocPortal. I've already done this to save some time. Next, we navigate over to our cPanel account. I'm starting work on a new website for Mammoth Jewelry. Check them out if you like. So, next we cruise over to File Manager, which I already have open here, and upload the zip file to our cPanel account. I've already done that, and I've also already extracted it to once again save some time. So we can now delete that to clean things up a bit because we won't need it anymore. Next, back over to our cPanel account. We go into MySQL Database Wizard and create a database for our install, which I'm going to call Jewelry. Database is now created. Now let's create a user for that database. You may notice that I'm using Jewelry for our database name and username. I don't know if it makes much difference, but I can't see where it would do any harm to use our best keyword for our databases. And select all privileges for that user. To the next step, and it's done. Now cruise over to, or let's do this in another tab because we'll need that again after. MammothJewelry.ca. It's going to throw up a critical error for us because although our files are there, they're not yet installed into the database, so we'll run the installer. Here we go. Alright, here we go. This is really not something you have to worry about. I won't go into detail, but you likely don't have to worry about it. But proceed. And I don't mind being listed. I'm already signed up to the mailing list, so I'll skip that part. Now, ocPortal can be integrated with many systems. It's awesome when you use ocPortal's own forum. I'm actually not really sure that we're going to have a forum yet, but I can install that. I can uninstall that later. No problem. Okay, prefix, that's good. Master password. My server, I always use a persistent connection. About the speed, I want your site to run as fast as it can. Not a bad idea to leave that checked. When I'm first developing a website though, I usually uncheck it and then later check it again because straight up I make some mistakes and I don't want to flood their email with any irrelevant errors. Create admin username. Done deal. Our Our database name, if you can recall, was jewelry. Mammoth underscore jewelry. Localhost is correct. Our username. And our password. We're going to leave that alone. Don't need to touch it. Here we go. It's going to run through everything on its own. It's going to take care of everything for us. And boring to sit and watch. Ha! On a side note, a little plug for these guys. Linux Mint 11. Very sweet. Been using it for a while now. I really like it. Still doing its thing. Let's visit ocPortal's own website. Quick tour. While it's doing its thing. Some important things to check out. ocPortal has some outstanding documentation. Community documentation is really starting to take off recently, thanks to the community, and especially right recently, Mythos. He's writing some great tutorials. Developer's Codebook, outstanding. API Guide, outstanding. Tutorials that most people will be most interested in. Anything you want to know, anything you want to do, find it here. Each of these tutorials are also linked in your admin zone menus. Everywhere you go in your admin zone, there's a link to the relevant tutorial. Very cool. Where are we at here? So 10 of 10, we're done. Okay, next we have to go back to our file manager and find install.php and delete it. We no longer need it. And if we leave it there, it's a security risk. ocPortal's smart. It actually won't let you go on to the next step until you get rid of that. It'll warn you. Now, this I think we'll save for another tutorial. I'll open a new tab anyways, just to show you what it is. And we'll go to our site. Oh, we need to log in, that's right. Okay. This is our username for admin when we created the site. There we go. Log in. Sure. This wizard will bring you through initially setting up your site. Here's a quick look at what ocPortal looks like. Default. This is completely default. I haven't run the setup wizard yet or nothing, as you know. This is how it looks. This is what you start with. A little side note, I think the default theme is going to undergo some good changes here right soon. ocPortal's working on it. I think it's going to be great, like everything else in ocPortal. A lot of stuff here. Pretty outstanding. Anyways, that concludes it. You're ready now to start creating your website. I hope this is helpful to you. Please pay me a visit at ocPortalwebsites.ca. Thanks.